Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I'll show you a summer design. Let's begin. First of all, we need to remove the old coating. You don't need to remove all cover. Just keep the thin layer of your base if there are no delaminations. That's how your nails should look. If you are as lucky as this girl, you won't need to remove your cuticle. But you need to clean the nails plate, so push the cuticle with an instrument. Then clean the nails plate with nail drill machine. I usually clean one side of all 10 fingers, then switch the direction and clean another side. If you need more information about how to work with nail drill machine, just let me know. And if you like my video, please like it so I can see that you found it useful. If you don't want to miss my next video, please subscribe. Clean the nails and remove all dust. Now we need to cover nails with a base coat. I used the Thermo and dry it in the lamp. I prefer to dry the first base layer for 60 seconds. Then I always use a strong material to strengthen the nail, such like strong base, polygel, mostly liquid one, and gel, and dry it about 45-60 seconds. Before applying the color, I remove the sticky layer. Little fingers will be black with glitter, so we need to cover them with black color. As you can notice, I never use a thin brush. As the main color, we choose a nice pink one with Thermo effect. Apply the second layer on all 4 fingers, then dry it for 60 seconds. Now we need to apply a top coat and spread glitter on the nail. Let it sink into the top a bit, then dry it in the lamp. Then we need to do our main design with stamping. If you have any issues with stamping, just watch my video about stamping first part. Looks nice already, but let's add something. Now we need to cover everything with a top coat, except little fingers. They are ready. We decided to add more glitter, so you need to apply top on that place and spread glitter. Let it sink a bit as it was with black color, then dry it. Remove extra glitter with a brush after drying. Put the base coat and any jewel you want, then dry it for 60 seconds. And this is our beautiful result. How do you find it? Please let me know in the comment section. Hope you like this video. Thanks for watching.